The second wave of COVID hit the country with such severity that both caseload and fatality per day reached a new high. As the lockdowns imposed during the second wave have not been abrupt and are less stringent and are also regional, local in nature, its impact on economic activity has been less disruptive than the first wave. Also, since the industries were allowed to remain operational during the current lockdown, although with strict COVID protocol, lower employee headcounts, supply side disruption has been minimal. However, India Ratings and Research believes the impact of COVID 2.0 will be felt more through the loss of demand impulse. And this demand impulse will be more pronounced in the rural areas than in the urban areas. Despite Indian Meteorological Department's forecast of a near normal monsoon in 2021. The key reason is spread of COVID-19 in rural areas, which is impacting and or has already started impacting the economic activities. Health Ministry statistics show that on 20th May 2021, the country's 394 districts out of 718 had a case positivity rate of over 10%. Even if agricultural output or income remains intact, there is a strong likelihood that the expenditure behavior pattern of the rural household will be different, as they will be more concerned about the rising and or an expected rise in health expenditure. Another point that needs to be noted here is that agricultural income now constitutes only about 1/3 of the rural income, and 2/3 of the rural income actually comes from non-agricultural activities, which are high human contact activities. Even the employment offered under MNREGS in rural areas may be less effective if family breadwinners fall to COVID-19 infection. Under such a scenario, while demand for agricultural credit and agricultural inputs such as fertilizer, pesticide, insecticides could remain strong in view of the third consecutive year of near normal monsoon, but the demand for FMCG products, automobiles, especially tractor and two-wheelers, may suffer.